Hey, what is up guys, I'm abeerrao. Welcome back to my channel AR Codemy, and I want to show you this calculator that I built using Python and the Tkinter library. So here's the import. We're importing everything from Tkinter, we're initializing it, and then we're setting the title to simple Python calculator. Very simple. Then we are defining the functions for the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and all of that cool stuff, division. Then we are mapping it out, what button should be where, like this button goes there, this goes there, clear all that. We are positioning them, and this is the main loop which runs the whole code. Let me just show you. It is now running. Let me just bring the calculator over here. As you can see, this is the calculator. You can do 7, 8, 9, and plus 1 is 7, 19. You can also type it in. So 4, 5, 8 divided by 2 is 470, and we are returning it as a float value just in case there are any decimal points. You can also multiply by, let's multiply by 2. Not bad. And we can also clear the screen. Let me show you that. We have all this clear. Now there's nothing. This number multiplied by 2 gives us this. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed it. It's the short video of the calculator that I built. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. I'll be posting videos like this every single week. And that's it for me. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.